name is Fisher, and what we're doing today is we're trekking out the nature trail at my hometown. This is my dad, this is my mom, this is my dog Rory, and that's my sister.
And the cameraman.
And the cameraman is my uncle. So let's get right into the video.
You want to walk her fish?
Yeah.
Okay, she pulls a little bit, Hazel. Go ahead, give it a try.
Walk her as well, Hazel.
All right, start walking, guys.
Rory.
And as you can see, she's pretty excited.
She's not very good on a leash.
I'll take over for a minute, buddy.
Okay. So, my dog's a little wild. She's really wild, I mean. And this is just like a trail. When I was going to Parks and Rec over there by the library, in the park, which is over there. Like, it's like a park. There's a park. And one day I just saw them working on this, and I thought it would be the water park, but no, it's actually a trail. So yeah, there's a few different things here. You can go on a haunted trail. We'll probably not go on that because I'm wearing my school shoes. And this is a full circle around, so it's pretty cool. And there's one time we saw deer here trying to eat the apples, and we found a caterpillar here. It's really cool, guys. You should check it out. So
maybe they have nature trails in their area.
Maybe you have nature trails in your area, but this was the one in my hometown. We could ride bikes here, we could scooter, we could roller skate. And there's an old hockey rink over there.
Yeah, that is good. Are you guys watching how fast Hazel can run?
Yeah. She can't run that fast.
Look at her go.
Yeah, there's some apples here. They're gone because it's winter. But yeah.
Which way do you want to go?
Let's go that way.
Hi.
And let's go down this trail. This is kind of like more of like a shortcut or like a trail. So yeah, you see these? These are deer tracks and animal tracks.
So you think Rory's getting tired? Think she can handle a little bit more?
Yeah, she could probably handle a lot more.
Let's see. You want to walk her for a little bit?
Oh, the spooky trail, right?
Yeah,
Mom, we went to. Did you guys want to go in there?
so there's 2 days until Christmas, and it's pretty warm out. It's pretty crazy, so we're excited to get some exercise.
Hazel, stop.
I'm gonna go to that.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah,
Because at Christmas there's normally
like there's normally snow and stuff like that. Very cool. Surprisingly, it's not as cold as it should be.
Just keep an eye out for deer tracks.
Huh? And
Keep your eyes open for deer tracks.
yeah, there's a lot of deer tracks. We just saw some over there. And let's look for some more. Oh, I think I see one right here. There's one right here.
the deer. Do you think we're gonna find any?
There's a lot of cut down trees.
Here's a deer track fish.
Oh, there's one over here.
Oh yeah, look at that's a really good one.
Auntie. Whoa.
Yeah, that's a good deer track.
That's probably why your dog's so excited to keep it smaller.
Hey.
All right.
Oh, boy, by
Okay.
myself.
I don't know if you want to do it by yourself. She'll pull you right in.
So,
Oh, there's
yeah,
someone walking. Stuff you're gonna have to control.
there's someone walking
What
as
the
well.
heck?
So let's turn the other way. Let's turn the other way.
We'll be all right. Let's see how excited we get. We should probably go to the other side.
Don't show their faces, okay?
All right.
But there's a lot of like leaves here. There's a lot of
Yep.
like footprints. There's a lot of like pokey stuff.
I think your dog's pretty excited. to see
Yeah, my dog's really excited.
She likes playing for the dog. What do you think she smells? Look, she's going wild.
Look at that.
What's that?
I don't know what that is, but that's like,
From the drain, the ice froze,
oh,
the water froze.
that's really cool.
Hey, Tissel.
See, there's a lot of cool stuff you can find here.
We're going to that spooky time.
Okay, I guess we're going to spooky side.
They call it Sleepy Hollow Trail.
Yeah. You can find a lot of interesting stuff here. You can find like really cool stuff. Like there's a tree right there that the bark came off on. Yeah, it's really cool. There's like a bench and a seat over there. It's really cool, guys. Look at that tree, it's bending a lot. That's bending. And here's some snow that hasn't melted.
We probably find a really good stick to play fetch with Rory.
Yeah, we should find a really good, oh, that's a really good. Oh, it's built in.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Okay, let's go play catch with my dog Rory. Let's go. There's like a little hole right there.
All right, you ready to go into the Sleepy Trail?
Yeah. Let's go into the Sleepy Trail.
What do you think Rory's gonna think of that? I don't think she's ever been.
I've never even been in the Sleepy Trail.
I think I went in this
Rory,
trail before.
Rory, look it. Rory, look it. There, Hazel, you can
Look it, a tick.
throw a stick in front of Rory, but get
Rory,
closer.
tick.
So this is just really cool. Like, you should definitely try and get here and check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff you can see.
You get back to
Like-
some fresh air.
Yes, you can get fresh air and exercise.
Thistle, I went
There's
this
like-
way before.
Like sticks that are sticking out. There's a lot of stuff that you can.
Hey, Mom, open it. Mom,
So
open it.
that's it, guys, for today, guys. I hope you loved this trail. If you do, like the video and subscribe. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.